Mehran Institute of Engineering and Technology, Jamshoro, is one of the premier institutes of the country. It is ranked number 1 in the province and number 2 in the public sector engineering universities in Pakistan, as ranked by the HEC in the last.
You are the luckiest one who would be joining 4 years program of a university life.
Almost 8,000 or more students are appearing in the test, and we will select only from them 2,000 or so students.
There are so many exchange opportunities are available.
No student should leave this university due to financial crisis.
Welcome to first and as of today the only FM radio station launched by any engineering universities of Pakistan.
जो यूनिवर्सिटीज़ में बेहतरीन स्पोर्ट्स फैसिलिटी कही जाती है, मेहरान यूनिवर्सिटी is one of them.
If you are an athlete or any sports person, Mehran University will facilitate you in every possible way.
बहुत ही अच्छा एहसास होता है हमें जब यहाँ आते हैं, और बहुत ही आउट ऑफ सिलेबस भी हमें यहाँ चीज़ें करवाई जाती हैं, जैसे म्यूट बन होता है, म्यूट गाला होता है, टेडेक्स होता है.
So, what are you waiting for? Go follow your passion.
Mehran Institute of Engineering and Technology, Jamshoro, is one of the premier institutes of the country. It is ranked number 1 in the province and number 2 in the public sector engineering universities in Pakistan, as ranked by the HEC in the last, and total 6th number in the whole country in the engineering sector. This university has number of disciplines, number of programs, and in engineering we have around 17 disciplines in engineering program. Then we have architecture, town planner. In engineering, we have traditionally civil, electrical, mechanical, electronics, computer, software, telecom, textile, industrial, metallurgy, mining, mechatronics, environment. There are also some sciences programs we have offered in the last 3-4 years. We have BS English, BS Mathematics, BS Computer Science, BS Garment, and then we have also a BBA program. So, and this year we are also starting BS Environmental Science, a new program. So I am sure that many of you will be accommodated in these programs.
Mehran University main campus के साथ साथ मैं आपको बताता चलूँ कि we have got another campus at Khairpur Mees, which is known as Shaheed Zulfikar Ali Bhutto campus, Khairpur Mees, जिसके अंदर we are providing 6 major programs, engineering programs. उधर भी you would be there for getting admissions. Mehran University not only believe to give an education, but we believe that you should be mature enough to work as an engineer, a mature engineer and a human being when you graduate.
Almost 8,000 or more students are appearing in the test, and we will select only from them 2,000 or so students in various fields. So it's a tough competition, and you are the lucky people who are coming here and appearing in the test.
There are 8 departments and institutes under the Faculty of Engineering. These departments are Mechanical Engineering, Mechatronics Engineering, Institute of Petroleum and Natural Gas Engineering, Department of Chemical Engineering, Department of Mining Engineering, Department of Metallurgy and Materials Engineering, Department of Industrial Engineering and Management, and Department of Textile Engineering. These departments are offering 8 Bachelor of Engineering programs and 1 Bachelor of Science program in garment manufacturing. These departments and institutes have state-of-the-art laboratories and workshops. All programs offered by these departments and institutes have good scope in the national and international market.
Mehran provides practical analysis of all the concepts, all the fundamental concepts, which in turn helps to develop the fundamental basics that are related to any field of study. Because Mehran has one of the best, finest, well-equipped and well-managed laboratories that are being supervised by highly cooperative and highly experienced teachers.
Under my faculty, there are 5 departments, or we can say in that institutes are also included. Number 1 is Civil Engineering Department. Number 2 is Institute of Environmental Engineering. Number 3 is City and Regional Planning. Number 4 is the Architecture Department. We are launching a new BS program in Center of Excellence, means Water Center. The name of that program is BS in Environmental Science. That will be help for the students, those who are interested for the science. It's not necessarily for the engineering, but that will be purely for the science.
The engineers and the professionals who are passing out from this institute should not be the job seeker, they should rather be job provider. And this is only possible when you actually innovate. And this university has also number of such initiatives, like we have Innovation Entrepreneurship Center, Office of Research, Innovation and Commercialization, we have National Technology Center Incubation, we have startups, we have so many things for your innovation. You have this idea, we have the platform to flourish your idea. In the recent past, number of students have excelled, and I am sure that if you Google around the website and of the Mehran student, you find very good success stories of these students.
Currently, मैं incubate हुई हूँ in National Expansion Plan of NICs for 6 months, जिसमें मैं अपने startup Intensify पे काम कर रही हूँ. किसी भी इंसान के लिए एक सबसे बड़ा ड्रीम होता है अपने खुद के आइडिया पे काम करना, और ये अपॉर्चुनिटी, ये प्लेटफॉर्म मुझे नेशनल एक्सपेंशन प्लान्स ऑफ NIC और मेहरान यूनिवर्सिटी ने फराहम किया. यहाँ पे मेंटोरिंग और सेशंस जो होते हैं उससे हम लोगों का काफ़ी कॉन्फिडेंट बूस्टअप हुआ और एक नई मार्केट हमारी तरफ ओपन हुई है, जिसके लिए मैं काफ़ी शुक्रगुजार हूँ मेहरान यूनिवर्सिटी की और नेशनल एक्सपेंशन प्लान ऑफ NICs की.
We produce graduates, they don't look for job, they create job. So the time has come that we talk about startup, you talk about innovation, entrepreneurship. So all these aspects are covered in our Innovation Entrepreneurship Center and all these things.
This university life will always make an endeavors for your future. So it's always good to not only to have an education, but also to have a participation in extracurricular activities also. And I always encourage, the university always encourage, that you should be, along with your studies, should be an active participant in your extracurricular activities. Mehran University has got numbers of social events, numbers of professional societies, जैसे IEEE है, MUSIS है, हर एक डिपार्टमेंट की एक अपनी प्रोफेशनल सोसाइटी है. And we have got social events, जैसे हमारे पास मन है, हमारे पास sports week, we have got TEDx. Very latestly we have introduced TEDx also, which is one of the most signatory event of the university. So I believe and I hope that you would be the proud members of all those teams.
I am a student like you and I love painting. I have recently participated in HEC competition through MUDS, Mehran University of Debating and Dramatic Society. Are you a poet, writer or singer? And if you love debating, go follow your dream and it will help you to achieve it. We have a different societies like CBS, a character building society, which will help you to achieve your character building activities.
And this university will provide you all the platform, all the opportunities to work, to improve, because the university will give you a feeling, university will give you an understanding, and university will give you an opportunity for networking with your fellow students, with your seniors, with your colleagues, and this networking will go a long way.
स्पोर्ट्स की एक्टिविटीज़ काफ़ी हैं हमारे पास. आप मेहरान यूनिवर्सिटी में जिम्नेजियम देखें, वह स्टेट ऑफ आर्ट जिम्नेजियम है पाकिस्तान में, जो यूनिवर्सिटीज़ में बेहतरीन स्पोर्ट्स फैसिलिटी कही जाती है. मेहरान यूनिवर्सिटी इज़ वन ऑफ देम. और यहाँ पे आपको इंडोर गेम्स और आउटडोर गेम्स में ग्राउंड्स दिए गए हैं. यू कैन अवेल ऑल योर अपॉर्चुनिटीज़. और ये जो फिज़िकल एक्टिविटीज़ हैं ये बहुत ज़रूरी है हमारे स्टूडेंट्स के लिए. हम ये कोशिश करते हैं स्टूडेंट्स इस तरह की फ़िज़िकल एक्टिविटीज़ में ज़्यादा इन होना शुरू हो जाए, और इससे सेहत भी बेहतर रहती है और फिज़िकल हेल्थ के अलावा मेंटल हेल्थ भी बड़ी उस पर असरअंदाज होती है.
I have represented Mehran University in inter-universities badminton tournaments. This place has groomed me and trained me. If you are an athlete or any sports person, Mehran University will facilitate you in every possible way.
We are also trying to contribute in the society also. the society in which we live in, जिस culture में हम रहते हैं, जिस society में हम लोग रहते हैं, boys and girls, we always try to contribute in that. और वो हम आप लोगों की मदद से हमेशा एक जैसे हम एक big event होता है, we always try to come up with those big events where you always try to return something to the society.
हिते इलाही इवेंट्स थींदा रहंदा आहिनि जीअं त बिग इवेंट आहे उन में असां ईअं अलॻि अलॻि क्राइटेरियाज़ हूंदा आहिनि उन में असां डोनेशन्स कंदा आहियूं उन खां पोइ उन डोनेशन्स जो असां हिकिड़ी सुठी तरह सां यूज़ कंदा आहियूं हिकु त असांजो हूंदो आहे की असां ऑर्फनेज में वेंदा आहियूं उते ग़रीब जेके असांजा जिन पीउ माउ आहिनि उन्हनि सां टाइम स्पेंड कंदा आहियूं उन्हनि खे गिफ्ट ॾींदा आहियूं ॿियो जेको असां स्पेशल चाइल्ड्स जेके हूंदा आहिनि नंढे वेंदा आहियूं उन्हनि खे डिफरेंट एक्टिविटीज़ कराईंदा आहियूं उन खां अलावा जेको असां हॉस्पिटल्स में वेंदा आहियूं उते क्लीनिंग वग़ैरह कंदा आहियूं ऐं हींअर जेको कोविड हुयो उन में असां राशन डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन कई हुई सो जेके बि असांजी सराउंडिंग्स में या ऑल ओवर द सिंध जेके बि माण्हू हुया न उन सभिनी जी असां हेल्प कई हुई.
Boys and girls, you will be having another very good opportunities in terms of your financial issues. अगर आप में से वो लोग जिनको financial problems हैं, जिनके parents afford नहीं कर सकते हैं, but if they are part of this university on merit basis, then they should not worry about any of the financial issues. ये हमारे वाइस चांसलर साहब का मोटो है कि अगर कोई भी स्टूडेंट किसी भी वजह से अपने फाइनेंशियल इश्यूज की वजह से यूनिवर्सिटी छोड़े तो फिर हमको इधर रहने का हक नहीं.
Let me tell you that student financial aid office has two different types of scholarships. One are known as internal merit scholarships and the other are need-based scholarships. In need-based scholarship, if any student proves his or her need, we used to give them need-based scholarship. For example, we have ESAS undergraduate scholarship project, we have Sindh Endowment Fund scholarship, we have Professional Education Foundation scholarship, and many more. Let me tell you that Zakat Need Cum Merit scholarship is available for a student throughout the year. Any student who needs Zakat Need Cum scholarship can apply at any time, and once he will apply through a scrutinizing process, she may get the scholarship.
मेहरान यूनिवर्सिटी पाकिस्तान की वन ऑफ द लीडिंग यूनिवर्सिटी है जिसने अपने 200 से ज़्यादा स्टूडेंट्स को अंडर ग्रेजुएट एक्सचेंज प्रोग्राम में दुनिया के 20 से ज़्यादा मुल्कों में भेजे हैं. आप यहाँ पे पढ़ रहे हैं, यू गेट अपॉर्चुनिटी टू स्पेंड 6 months in other countries, even in the US, in Japan, in China, in Australia, in UK, in Germany, in Romania, in Italy, in Spain, you just name it. So there are so many exchange opportunities are available.
After my admission, I was awarded with the scholarship of exchange scholarship for 2 years from Erasmus Mundus scholarship program, intact Erasmus Mundus scholarship program, and was sent to Italy in Milan city for Politecnico di Milano to pursue my part of my PhD there in Polyny.
We have a wonderful library which never sleeps. This library is open 12 midnight. The only reason we are closing the library is because nobody sits after 12. Otherwise, we could have opened round the clock, 24 hours.
The Mute Library is more like a sanctuary for me. In Mute Library, there are magazines, newspapers, and dozens of books that cover a wide range of topics such as engineering, history, and politics, and so on. What I find the most fascinating about the Mute Library is the cooperative staff, flexible timing, and air-conditioned environment. I mean, what else does a student need? So if you become a part of a Mute's family, you will enjoy the same facilities that I have for the last 4 years.
Your university is providing a wonderful opportunity without any of the communication gap between you and the teachers and the officers. All the stakeholders of these universities would be having a very good interaction with each other.
हम यहाँ पे स्टूडेंट को मुख्तलिफ चीज़ों में गाइड करते हैं, काउंसल करते हैं कि अगर उनके पास कोई ऐसा मसला है तो पर्सनल इशू हो तो उसको किस तरह से रिजॉल्व किया जाए, कोई यूनिवर्सिटी रिलेटेड इशू हो तो उसको हम फर्दर उसमें हम एक्शन ले सकते हैं, चाहे वो ट्रांसपोर्ट के हवाले से कोई इशू हो, हॉस्टल के हवाले से इशू हो, कोई हॉस्टल के अंदर पानी का मसला हो वो आप अपने वार्डन को बताएं, फिर अगर वहाँ से सॉल्व नहीं हो सकता तो वो मेरी अभिप्राय।
Welcome to first and as of today the only FM radio station launched by any engineering universities of Pakistan. This is Mute FM 92.6 and we call it Voice of My University. We induct students in our internship programs to provide them learning about the radio production techniques, and obviously when they host and design the programs, they go through the creative writing and the presentation of their radio programs from this very FM radio station.
म्यूट एफएम हमारा कैंपस रेडियो हमारे मेहरान के स्टूडेंट्स के लिए एक अपॉर्चुनिटी है कि वो अपने स्किल्स को पॉलिश कर सकें और अपनी आवाज़ मेहरान के दूसरे स्टूडेंट्स तक पहुंचा सकें।
म्यूट एफएम ते मां आरजे कम पियो कयां ऐं म्यूट एफएम जेको आहे असांखे प्री टू पोस्ट प्रोडक्शन कंहिं बि प्रोग्राम जो कीअं थींदो आहे उहो पूरो जो पूरो असांखे हिते सेखारे थो।
All these departments we have female faculty, female staff and girl students studying in these departments. At our university, we have females hostels and girls gymnasium facility. We also have the gender policy, the anti-harassment cell, which is very much functional. The Society of Women Engineers also plays its role in the university. I remain student of this Mehran University of Engineering and Technology, and I'm working in this university since 25 years. So I call this as my second home, and I love the environment of this university.
It was always difficult for a female to break all those stereotypes and follow her dreams in engineering. But here I am today in my final year. I broke all those stereotypes and I followed my dreams. I participated actively in curricular and co-curricular activities, and you can too. Mute is like a second home to us. I never felt gender discrimination here, and you will never too. So go follow your dreams, because Mute is all you can dream of.
You find a wonderful campus, clean, green and safe campus, and I am sure that once you be the part of this campus, you will also feel happy and feel proud about the campus, to tell others to come and see how this university is moving forward, how this university is performing. We are very tough about the discipline. We don't want you to do the things which are not good for your career, which are not good for your character, which are not good for your health. I am sure that your stay in this campus will be pleasant, will be joyous for you, for your family, and at the end of the day, when you be graduated, you become the alumnus, and you will remember your alma mater for all the time to come.
So, boys and girls, I hope to see you all near future in Mehran University of Engineering and Technology, and to meet you all in your classes, in the corridor, in your ways. जहाँ भी मिलें, मुस्कुराते हुए मिलें, और हमेशा एक इस हैसियत को याद रखें कि हम मेहरान यूनिवर्सिटी के एक फैमिली का हिस्सा हैं, जिसमें आपकी, मेरी, हम सब की कंट्रीब्यूशन से मेहरान यूनिवर्सिटी विल टेक देम टू अनदर हाइट. So hoping to see you very soon.